Good morning, children. Welcome to your GK class. You can open your GK book, Play and Learn, to page number 19. 19. Today we are going to learn about food we eat. Food we eat. Children, what do we eat daily? We are going to learn about it. It is the food we eat daily is rice, chapatis, salad, fish, pizza, bread, cake, milk, noodles, chicken, samosa, jam, meat, eggs, chocolate, cold drink, butter, burger, chips and ice cream. Children, in the book you can see many varieties of food, but we don't eat all of these food. Now, today I will tell you about healthy food and unhealthy food. Which are the healthy foods? The healthy foods are the grains. What is grains? Grains means seeds. We eat rice. Rice is also a grain. We eat dal or pulses. That is also a grain. We eat flour, Flour. That is also a grain. The grain wheat is pounded into flour. And what does your mother make from flour? Chapati, paratha, puri, halwa. All these items are prepared from flour. Now children, we were talking about healthy food and unhealthy food. So, vegetable, fruit is also healthy. Vegetable helps the body to grow. Children, when you were born, you were just 1 month old, 2 months, 3 months, then gradually you became 1 year old, then 2 year old, then 3 years old, and in 3 years you went to nursery class. Now you are in class prep. You are 5 years old. So children, I want to show you that you are growing. Now next year you will go to class 1 and you will be 6 years old. So you are growing. But children, when will you grow? When you eat healthy food. And fruits and vegetables also gives us vitamins, which helps us to fight the diseases. If we get fever, it helps us to fight fever. Or if we get any disease, the fruits and vegetables helps our body to fight the disease. Now, I will show you which food is healthy and which is unhealthy. Rice is healthy. Chapati is healthy. Salad is also healthy food. Fish, healthy food. Pizza is not healthy for our body. Bread is also healthy. Cake is also healthy. Milk. Milk is also healthy. Noodles. It is unhealthy. You should not eat noodles every day. Once in a week. Now chicken. It is healthy. Samosas. No, they are not healthy. They do not give us strength to work. They do not give us energy to work. Now jam. Jam is also good. We spread the jam on roti, chapati, paratha or bread and we eat it. Meat is also healthy. Eggs. Chocolate. Too much of chocolate destroys your teeth. Now, cold drink. It is not healthy. We should not drink cold drinks daily. Butter. Butter is healthy. You can eat butter. You can spread the butter on chapati, paratha, bread and you can eat it. Burger is also not healthy. Chips, not healthy. Ice cream is healthy. You can eat. And most of the time when ice cream is eaten, that is summertime. In winter, we cannot eat ice cream because we can catch cold. Now, let us look at these questions. What is your favorite dish? Children, everyone likes some or the other food very much. So everyone's favorite dish is different. My favorite dish is dhokla. I like dhokla very much. So you also have your favorite dish. Now, how many glasses of milk do you have in a day? Children, you should have 2 glasses of milk every day. One in the morning and one at night, at dinner time. What do you have for your lunch? Children, everyone has rice, dal, chapati, vegetables for lunch. That is a proper lunch. Now, what do you take for dinner? In India, mostly for dinner, we take chapati and vegetables, which is very healthy. Many people take milk and chapati also. Okay, children, this was about food we eat. Now, turn to the next page, number 20. Let us talk about keeping healthy. If we want to be healthy, we should eat healthy food and we should not eat unhealthy food. Which are unhealthy food? Chips, cold drink, burger, chow mein, noodles, all the pizza, all these are unhealthy food. We should not eat it daily. Once in a week it is okay. So, same way, if we want to be healthy, what should we do? We should wake up early in the morning. Then we should brush our teeth daily. Take a bath daily. When you take bath, all the germs in your body are destroyed and you become healthy. When you after taking a bath, you should comb your hair to look clean. Then, children, you should cut your nails once a week. Not once a week. Whenever you see your nails have grown big, you should cut it. Because, you know, in big nails, all the germs settle, and when we eat our food with our hands, all the germs get into our body. Now, we should drink clean water. Clean water. And every time when we have our meals, so before the meals, wash your hands, and wash your hands after the meal. And eat healthy food, as I told you. Then every time you should keep your room neat and tidy. All the things should be in its place. And last of all, sleep on time. Sleep on time. So let us see, children, what is keeping healthy. Keeping healthy. Number 1, wake up early. Wake up early.